All that effort, the sweat, the climb, it all melts away in an instant. This is what we came for.
Big wet back.
Si Joel.
I'm good.
From the raw power of the
Okay, let's go
falls,
check them out.
There's so much butterflies over there. There's bugs.
we stepped into a world of delicate beauty. Mambukal also has a butterfly sanctuary.
Let's go chase them.
Don't chase them. It says don't harm the butterfly.
We're not gonna harm them.
What's harming?
Hurting.
Oh, chasing is not hurting?
Yeah. No.
Oh, it's scary. We took that picture.
Come on. There's more up there. They'll come up right to you if you stand still. Seriously?
I like the butterflies. Daddy, look at orange. The white one.
Where's the white one?
There, up there. Orange and white.
Orange and white.
Oh, there he's going.
He's standing on the...
Yeah, look right up there. Where's that leaf? No. He was just playing around there before.